Lake Lure Dam, built in 1927, holds back the waters of this scenic North Carolina lake, providing power and flood control to the region. But can it withstand the test of time and heavy rainfalls? Thanks to ongoing maintenance and modern monitoring systems, the dam is regularly inspected to ensure it remains strong and reliable. With careful water management and floodgates designed to release excess water, Lake Lure's dam continues to protect the area from flooding, keeping the community safe.